Okay, welcome. So here is my mission and vision statement by Hackett-Bauer. So a little bit about me. Who am I? My name is Hackett-Bauer. I am 25 years old. I am currently the band director in Oakley, Kansas. I teach band in grades 5th through 12th. I've been teaching for 4 years. I am originally from Shawnee, Kansas, and received my undergrad at Pittsburgh State University in music education. So here is some pictures of my family. This is my husband. His name is Billy. We've been married for 2 going on 3 years. And our dog Hank. We don't have any children, but he is our fur child, Hank. Over here in the bottom right hand corner is a picture of me, my husband, my mom, my sister, and her fiance. Up in the top left corner is a photo of my dad. In the bottom left corner is a photo of my in-laws, my husband's parents, and his sister as well. One thing about me is I am very passionate about music. I love music and I love teaching music and I love teaching band. And so I've kind of attached a couple photos of myself. One in the bottom right hand corner of me playing trombone. In the top right hand corner, I'm playing flute and my dog is listening intently. Top left corner is me playing the baritone. If you've ever heard of it, it's kind of like a mini tuba. And then bottom left corner is me conducting. And then this was my senior photo from when I went to college. My specialty is actually in saxophone. So yeah, it's a little bit about me. Okay, so what is the school's mission statement? The school's mission statement, this is how you would describe your school to others. Who do you serve? What do you seek to accomplish? And how will you proceed? This needs to include things like the age, characteristics, curriculum philosophy, and instructional approaches, overall goals of the school, and any special features of the school. What is a school's vision statement? The vision helps people to understand how you hope others will view your school. It describes some of your highest priorities within the school. What is the role and importance of a school's mission and vision statement? This helps to set the direction of a school's environment. These statements should be taken seriously by all and applied in every aspect of the school. And they should be clear and understandable for all. How do schools' mission and vision statements work together? The vision statement expresses the school's goals, while the mission statement provides the steps of how to achieve the vision of the school. So you've got to have step one to then complete step two. What are the processes for collaborating, developing a mission and vision statement? Soliciting. So this would be taking input from all the staff members, the district school, stakeholders on the core values and what they would like to be included in the school's vision statement. Collaborating with the school's leadership team to draft a school vision statement based on input gathered from various stakeholders. So again, these various stakeholders could be, teachers, community members, parents, and even students. Presenting, so there needs to be a presentation of the draft of the vision statement to all staff in order for revision and discussion. And lastly, the unveiling of the school's vision statement to all of the stakeholders, which we previously solicited the information. This is in order to ensure awareness of the intended direction for the school over the next 3 to 5 years. What are the processes for developing an actionable mission and vision attentive to the values and priorities? This is truly a multi-step process. It brings people together through stakeholders to have the opportunity to identify how they would like to see the district grow. The district needs to make a commitment to all of these things. So some of the things are like data. We should use the data the school has taken in to help decide or make decisions about teaching and learning. Technology, how to successfully integrate technology into teaching and learning within the classroom. Values, guiding us to help make decisions in the best interest of everyone, not just individuals. Equity, which is giving all students the opportunity to learn successfully and being committed to teaching equally. Diversity, this would be seeking to include and to promote that all are welcome and involved. Digital citizenship, using technology in a productive and safe manner, helping students to know how to be kind online, and lastly, community, how to integrate the school and the community together. This could potentially happen very naturally. What are the characteristics of a well-written mission and vision statement? It should be academically focused. It's a school, we focus on academics, but it should also be clearly expressed. It should be posted and displayed clearly and publicly. If taught in the classroom, it should help to identify the educational experiences, and admin should back the mission statement. What are common problems associated with the school's mission and vision statements? Not knowing the difference between a mission and vision statement. Honestly, before I started this, I didn't truly realize that there was a difference. So that could be one. But also, statements that are meaningless, statements that are broad, statements that are open-ended, and lack a goal for striving for excellence. These are all potentially common problems. So, critique your own personal, professional use, thoughts, misgivings on mission and vision statements. I learned that there is a difference between a mission and a vision statement, and that they should be the driving force of everything the school is based around and what we do to guide our daily actions. Honestly, as a first year teacher, I did not know they existed, and I really didn't know what was in the building, and I didn't know what our building thought. But now, as a fourth year teacher, I know in all of our buildings where the mission statements are located and how I should be implementing them in my classroom and throughout the school. So, what is the school's mission and vision statement? So I have actually attached Oakley High School, which is the building that I teach in, the mission statement for our building. And it reads the following: the primary purpose of Oakley High School is to share with parents and the community the responsibility of providing our students quality educational experiences in a safe environment, and to assist in the development of life skills through a diverse curriculum. And again, this is the Oakley High School mission statement. So, looking at that and reading that, I would say that the mission statement of OHS is truly on par with a lot of other mission statements of other schools that I've read. I believe that it hits the main topics of being academically focused, prepared for the students' futures, and involved in the community. And all of these things mentioned in the statement are things that are truly important in our school and what our school believes in. What would you propose to your superintendent in order to make your mission and vision statements better? One thing I'd like to add is I believe that we should include how we can connect better with technology and prepare for the 21st century. As we have all learned as educators that technology is become very, very prevalent in our classrooms, especially with COVID and post-COVID, that I believe that that's something we should add now, is that how technology driven we are. I'm also on our KISA's, my school's KISA's team, and so working through that and looking through everything, I also believe that we should add a part about rigor and relevance and it being promoted in our school. Honestly, I truly believe that our teachers do an amazing job about finding curriculum that is relevant to where the students enjoy, which in returns makes it more rigorous because the students want to keep learning and keep exploring. So, how does this support the educational success and well-being of each student and adult? Creating a mission vision statement that is relevant keeps everyone involved. May that be the students, the parents, staff, and the community. This is what we base our school climate and culture around and how we want to be identified. Standard correlation. So the NELP standard 1 is mission, vision, and improvement. This promotes the current and future success and well-being of each student and adult by applying the knowledge, skills, and commitments necessary to collaboratively lead, design, and implement a school's mission, vision, and process for continuous improvement that reflects a core set of values and priorities that includes data use, technology, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community. This assignment truly goes hand in hand with the standards. The standard has shown me what the difference between a mission and a vision statement is, as well as who is involved, what are the skills needed to fulfill this, and where these statements are displayed within our schools and their relevance. And that leads us into relevant. This assignment has really helped me to make sure that the school's mission and vision statement is being updated, current, and staying true to what our school believes. It also brought me clarity that I should know exactly what needs to be included in the mission statement of a school, and minded to other ideas, thoughts that could be incorporated to our school's mission and vision statement. And lastly, reflection. I now truly understand what is expected of me when referring to my school's mission and vision statement. I feel this will be a good reflection on how I, as a teacher, can uphold what my school believes within my classroom or the community. And someday, as an administrator, when I'm hiring new staff, making sure to help educate them on what is our mission and vision statement and how we collectively can work together to uphold the school's mission statement. And then here are the references which were given for our assignment. I learned honestly so much, and I would highly recommend these to people if they were wanting to know more about what is a good mission and vision statement, or, what can I learn from this? How can we improve? So there we go. That is all.